Okay, hi everyone, I'm Arthur from Young Guns Motorcycles. Today we're doing a follow-up video of this here, my flat tracker, because previously, in a previous episode we did a video of this, I think it was in April. The jetting sucked. So basically this is a preview of how it's going now. To be fair to the bike, to be fair to my eBay followers, let's get this thing done properly. So now it's going much better than before. My flat tracker. So we're starting it from cold. It's been started a couple of days ago. So here you go, my hand on the header pipe. Over there. So I'll show you how it's going now, but it's much better than before. Before it was honestly going like an old dog, it was so bad. So the jetting up here, it's a bit weird because of the altitude. So it took a while for me to sort it out, but hopefully it's going fine now. So here we go. Give it some laps, give it some choke. That really is an insane bike. It's been tuned properly now and I'm happy with it, so that's what the second video is about, just to make sure that you guys see it properly in action. Now, can I suggest to all my YouTube followers, if you Google the third industrial revolution with Jeremy Rifkin, he talks a lot about the planet and we're honestly in dire straits. So if you can do your own bit to reduce your own personal carbon footprint, that'd be much appreciated. Now don't forget, Young Guns Motorcycle is a hobby-based workshop. We make zero profit from these restorations. We do it because we love it. Another video from Young Guns Motorcycle. Till next time, take care.